Time to put this tempered glass on, baby. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for who? For who? For you. Yeah, you. And on this video I have a tempered glass for the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. Picked this up on Amazon for $11.97. This is a 2-pack tempered glass. It comes with the front tempered glass and a glass for the camera module there as well. So not bad, you know what I'm saying? Not too bad. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see if I am correct about it being a 2-pack and it coming with the camera module tempered glass display protector as well. We do have our stick film installation tools 2 times. I am right, because why would they say 2 times if it didn't come with 2 screen protectors? You do have your instruction manual there, and I am correct. Here are the tempered glass for the camera module there, and it looks like, oh man, let me see. So it does have a cutout there, but it doesn't have a cutout for one of the cameras. I don't know if this is gonna be an issue. Hopefully it's not an issue and it works pretty fine, but 11 bucks for 2 of these, it's not too bad. What else is on here? A Amazon gift card for $10. Bam, go ahead and get it. I don't know. And your tempered glass, 2 tempered glass screen protectors. Now I am a big fan of these right here because I do like that black border there. Boom, looks very good. It's not too curved. It does have a subtle curved here, so I am super excited. I hope this works. Now the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G, I gotta say the 5G comes with a pre-installed screen protector, so if you're happily fine with that, no issues, then by all means don't get it. I personally think they're a little flimsy. It's just a thin film, not really going to protect your screen in case you drop it. It's not going to shatter. So I like to get these right here, tempered glass, because if it does fall, it is going to shatter and protect. I'd rather have this shatter than the screen protector, than the glass itself. Looks good. We're probably gonna have to redo the screen there itself. Now the fingerprint, this is the official OnePlus case and it looks like it's gonna work with it, so pretty cool. Let's go ahead and prep this for installation. Now I don't think I'm not gonna clean it because it's not dirty, and I do have the screen protector on there, and I'm gonna leave the case on. Let's go ahead and peel this. See, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, it's actually not even, it's like one of them. Oh yeah, this one probably not too bad. First time I seen this type, it's kind of like one of those Invisishield screen protectors. Pretty cool, actually. First time I seen that one right there. So let's go ahead and clean it. I typically take the wipe and rub my fingers to get all the oil off of your fingerprint, your fingers. Now this is gonna dry up your hand, so if you see ashy ass fingers on the screen, you know why, because of this. Let's go ahead and give it a nice wipe down. And then let's get our dust removal stickers. grab our tempered glass screen protector. Seal that. And actually this case would help you align it. Bam, press right there in the middle. And let's hope we have a good installation there. So let's see. Oh, nice. You guys see that? I probably have to. So let's go to display. Now let's go to display and comfort tone. Hope. So maybe I just gotta reprogram it. Let me reprogram my fingerprint and see if it works here. Let's go ahead, finger unlock. So I'm gonna go ahead and reprogram it. Add another one. Now you do gotta press a little firm. It did that to me last time too. Let me try it again. So last time I was trying to, even when I set up the phone, I was trying to add a second finger, and on the second thumb, it kept giving me an error and it wouldn't complete it. And it's doing the same with this one, and it's not because of the screen protector. Last time it was doing the exact same thing, and I have no idea why. Okay, finally got it. So re-registered my fingerprint there. Now double tap doesn't seem to work. Something's going on with this pocket mode. Let me yeah, screen protector might not work on this one. Do not cover the blue area of your phone. Follow these circles. Did I cover? You know what? So pocket mode is off. Double tap works. Nope. Now the fingerprint, it's a little iffy, man. Look at that. I don't think I'll recommend this one. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's a hit or miss, man. Oh man, I really like this screen protector, and it's not working, so I'm probably not going to recommend this to you guys, dude. It's not working. Plus, you have to disable pocket mode. Did I have it? Let me try to move the screen a little bit down more. So I think I know why. I think it just has this adhesive around the. Let's go and activate pocket mode. Oh. What the hell? Look at that. It's working. So I don't know what happened. Pocket mode is working. I did align this screen protector towards the bottom. I'm going to re-register my fingerprint anyways. Hopefully it helps it out. But again, double tap. That one doesn't really work. Let's try it again. And voila. So you make your own call on this one. If you want to get it, go ahead and get it. But it is a little fishy. But I think I'm going to reprogram my fingerprint and hopefully it works. Now, I'm going to go ahead and install this tempered glass screen protector for the camera module. It is a thick bad boy. Look at that. This thing is thick. So this thing is going to go wow, this thing is super thick. But apparently it goes in like this. Damn. So this bad boy is super thick. It even protrudes out of this, as you can see. I don't know if it's, I want to say it's going to affect the camera quality. You're just dumping another layer of screen there. Let me see. Well, I don't know. It looks all right, but you be the judge. This is the iBetter tempered glass screen protector for the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. Amazon, $11. At first, the fingerprint was a little fishy, and with the pocket mode as well, it wasn't playing nice. If you reprogram it and reprogram your fingerprint, you might get it to work. I don't know if I recommend this. I would probably. I'm probably going to look for a better one and return this one if I can get my money back. But if you like it, the link will be in the bottom. But make sure you watch the video and make your own decision on the tempered glass screen protector. And it works with the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G official carbon bumper case from OnePlus. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.